Hi everyone! So today we're just going to jump right into the video because I know I'm posting this really late. I apologize. I had a project I had to finish. But we are going to do our Fashion Friday on Style Saturday today. I'm such a dork because I couldn't post yesterday, and today we have an Amazon try-on haul. So I'm going to be trying on all the items, and I'm just going to be doing it as we go. I know sometimes I insert clips, but I've got actually 3/4 of the items on now to show you. There's 8 total. 2 of them are sets, so there's a lot. I think it's awesome. It's from the lookbook store. Everything will be linked down below where you can find the pricing. The pricing is subject to change, they said, but that's how Amazon Marketplace is. If you guys haven't noticed, you can look at price history if you have to, but they're all affordable, in my opinion. They are, though. They're affordable, and so far, so good. We'll have to see. I'd love to hear your opinion. And after we do the Amazon try-on, I have 2 jewelry subscriptions I'm going to open quick. So let's get started. I am in a little different angle, so let me change this so maybe I can be against the wall for the try-on. So I'm wearing these black stretch jeans, which I'm going to keep on for this in the next item as well. But the first thing, this is a sweater, and this is really comfortable, you guys. It's not itchy either. I'm really sensitive to that, and it could be long, so you can wear it with leggings and it can cover your butt. Just turn the light up. Or you can tuck it in, or not tuck it in, but fold it over because it has that little band there. And it's V-neck, which I love V-necks. And right now I'm wearing a bathing suit under it, so that's why you see this. You wouldn't always have your straps showing. But I love the color of it. I love the sleeve length. And it is warm. I mean, it keeps you warm. So it's been kind of cold the past 2 days for Florida, so this is perfect. I'm cozy while the AC is blasting too. Sorry if you can hear it. But I really like this. Yeah. And all of the items we're trying on today come in a bunch of different colors and stuff too. And if you're curious, all of these items also have over 1,000 reviews on Amazon too, and they're rated high. So you can see what other people say as well. Oh, and they show it styled, and so you can have your sleeves up. Super cute. So this here is their red button-up top. I really like this. So it ties here, so you can kind of tie it to be longer or looser. I like having a little bit here, kind of crop top, And it has loose sleeves, which I think is really flattering on a lot of people. I love this color. It said red, but it's more rusty red, And if you guys are wondering, I got everything in a size medium. And again, I have a bathing suit on, so you can wear a different bra style if you want. Oops. This stuff I used to clean my computer is on the ground. It's stuck. So if you guys see that, sorry, it's not anything disturbing. It looks yellow and yucky though. Oopsie. And here's the back. So you can tuck this in if you want. My mirror's right there, but I'm too. And then the pants, I really like these. These are their black stretchy denim jeans, and they're a little distressed. So it has 5 buttons here. I don't have any jeans like that, and it's a little loose on me, but I like that because then you can tuck it in, and the stretch makes it super comfortable. So you can see it's skinny jeans. Oh gosh, don't look at my toes. They're so bad. I was cleaning, and I think I bleached my toenails. But the knees are distressed. Oh, you can see from back there, I think. Just on my toes. I really like them. And they're not the most flattering in my butt, but I don't care. I'm all about comfort. I could actually sit in these all day, doing my stuff around the house because I can move. I don't usually move like this, but just test them out. But now I have bathing suits, so I totally forgot that there was a bathing suit until I was prepping for this. But I'm really excited because I like it. But now I feel I'm undressing in front of the camera. Okay, well, here's the top. So it's a halter style, and I got it in blue. And they do have those insertable cups that come with it you can take out, which I think I always take those out, but I left them in for your sake, so I get a little nipply sometimes. But I really like this. I haven't had a halter bikini in a while, and the bottoms are really cute too. I'm just gonna stay far away from this one. So there's a little tie here that makes it I think that is flattering too. I like this. So yeah, that's all we're gonna do for the bathing suits portion. Now let's try on some more clothes. cute. I really like this bathing suit actually. Like from looking at the viewfinder, I can't really tell, but I think it's flattering. I don't know. I think these jean shorts would be perfect to go out like to the pool or whatever, like a boat day. These are, I've been wanting these. And I love that they're higher because they cover up my belly and like just, I just feel more confident like in cropped things like this area. Like I have a defined waist more so than like this area. So I like these. So it's 3 buttons and a zipper, distressed. And it's comfy. Like they're stretched a little bit. And they fit me perfect. Yay! There's a little slit on the side. So these shorts are great. Yeah, these are just called their denim jean shorts. And then I have their black cami tank top. And this does have adjustable straps and it hit V-neck. I always go for the V-neck. I feel like, what is it, crew top doesn't flatter me. Ooh, outfit. You can tuck in a little bit if you wanted. But you can see there's like this detail here. It's like pleated. Would that be called pleated? Oh, here. So it is longer. I don't mind that, like, because you have more options when they're longer like that. And then the back, I'll show you what that is. And it's not too close to your armpit on the side, so you won't get like white on there. Look in the mirror. So it is like partially sheer, and I know with the lights on me, you could probably see through. I took off my bathing suit so you could look at like the straps and stuff in the back. Like I don't think you could see through the black, but like when you put your fingers up, like it's a little bit sheer, so just to keep that in mind if you want to get it in a different color. But this would look cute with a bandeau or whatever, or bralette. And it looks like you can like make it be a lower cut too, which I probably would do. Alright, so I think we just have 2 things to go. A dress and then like a matching pajama / loungewear set. Oh, this is so comfy, I like it. Oh my god, even the strap I'm like amazed by. I'm like, it's so soft. This is their pullover, what do they call it? The black pullover sweater tunic dress. There is a zipper in the back, I saw it, and it is functional, but I just pulled it over like they said. Because I think that's way easier than zippering anyways. But this is nice. I love dresses like this. It's like flattering too. So one side's longer than the other. Ooh, I'm gonna have to get some wear in this one before it gets too hot here in Florida. So obviously a wrap dress, love those. I think they look so good on everyone. And then it's a little sexy, but longer on one side. Obviously long sleeves, but they're like soft that you can, or have a stretch to them. My cats are being such big babies. Archer, what's wrong? Want a treat? I brought them up here in case. You guys, I'm liking everything. I mean, there's one thing left after this, but I'm so glad because I know I'm not the only one that has like Amazon orders on the way all the time. I'll sit down after the last item and we'll look. I think they're Amazon Prime, but I want to double check. But let me go look in the mirror at the. I like this. It's seriously so soft, but then I'd be like weird in public, like touching my dress. Like I'd be like, oh, she's like turned on. So yeah, it goes all the way across here too. If you're worried about like blowing up or anything like that. So soft. And now the lounge set. It's a tie-dye lounge set. So there is a V-neck top and then matching shorts. And if you guys know me, I like live in stuff like this, matching especially. So let me put it on and we'll wrap this up. See if there's any other information. Oh yeah, this is comfy. And it has pockets, sweet. So it is so comfortable. It's a fake drawstring here. So it's like this waistband. I like to pull it up. These shorts, I think they're meant to be like higher waisted, but you can do lower if you want to. And the shirt's obviously oversized. It's supposed to be comfy when you sleep in lounge, right? Because I don't like fitting stuff usually, unless it's like fake fitting, like the stretchy stuff, but not for lounging. I want, like, yeah. Oh, and I put on a bra that looks like the bathing suit, like one of those comfy ones I was just talking about. Are they called bandeau? I don't know. No, bandeau is like the strapless one, right? Yeah, and they have this in a bunch of designs too. I'm going to be living in this today. I'm not going to take it off. I might take the bra off though, but let's bring you closer. Let's talk about our thoughts. Oh wow, I'm doing this longer than I thought, but overall, I'm really impressed. I think everything was great. Apparently they wanted me to do different things with the try-on portion, but we're just gonna go with it. But again, this is a lookbook store on Amazon. Everything will be linked down below. I was just making sure I didn't like forget any information, so I was looking at our emails. So it looks like some of the items are Amazon Prime, but some aren't. If that matters to you, you can still order them even if they're. I'm like, I was shopping and I think I got something the other day that wasn't Amazon Prime. I'm like, oh, it's not Prime, but it's not like you get pay more, right? I don't really know. I think you just get it faster if it's Amazon Prime. But I'm really happy. I feel like everything fit pretty good. I love the shorts. That fit was really good. The jeans were like a little big, but I can tuck a sweater in or something. I like to tuck. I even tuck my loungewear in. I love this. Yeah, everything. The dress, like, for all like in the lower price range, I think it's great. So you guys have to let me know your thoughts. Like, I'm so comfy now on this. I'm like, just like, hey guys, what's up? I guess I'm always kind of in lounge mode when I'm talking to you guys because I'm comfortable with you. You guys are the best. But yeah, I really like this. It feels like nice. Oh yeah, I was gonna restart the camera, but we're gonna use it as a time limit for me to undo or open these last two boxes. So I said we're gonna do the jewelry subscription boxes as well. So I have the jewelry box by Silver and Gold. So they have sterling silver, like $9.25 stamped jewelry. You get 3 items every month. And they have multiple plans available, so I'm gonna link them down below. You can check it out, but we're just opening like the jewelry box is what it's called. I think that's like their main one. They also have like Ring of the Month Club and some for allergies, specific allergies. So there's a little card in here. Wow, this is the March box? I was thinking it was February. I was like, I need to get on this. I've had it for a little while, I think. That's okay, it's March. We're trying to wrap up our February boxes, which we will do so in the next few days, but okay, back on track. So the first thing we have here is some, what is this? Champagne diamond simulant earrings in 14 karat gold over sterling silver. And these have a retail value of $59.99. Hopefully you can see. And then we have some silver hoops. It looks like they're, is there anything on those? I hope, I kind of like just plain silver, yeah. Rhodium over sterling silver classic hoop earrings, and this has a retail value of $39. Oh, nice. You can't see there. Oh. And the last item is a necklace. Oh, pretty. It's like a lotus flower. Where'd my little card go? Oh, here it is. The Blooming Lotus Flower Sterling Silver Necklace, retail value of $49.99. Oh my god. Struggling to be fast. It's the story of my life. Very pretty. So, sorry to go fast, but that is everything for Silver and Gold for March. I almost said July. What is wrong with me? But next up is Roxbox, which is a jewelry rental subscription. You can get the option to, or you have the option to keep the items at a discounted price. They call it like a Roxbox member price. It's free returns. You can reuse this actual bag, which I think is great. And you have a stylist that picks the 3 items for you, but you also have the opportunity to swap them. And I do have a code with that, or not code. It's a link to get your first box free, like no commitment. So if you want it, down below. Oop, drop something. So I dropped a piece of paper that goes over jewelry care instructions. And in here, they'll show you a picture of the items inside, the pricing for regular retail value, and then the pricing if you buy it as a Roxbox member. So I have a set of rings, a necklace, and some earrings. And I picked these out myself. And if you keep all 3 of your items, you save like $15 or something, or 10. 10. Can I do this in 5 minutes, 4 minutes? It's sweating, but that's more so because I was just saying it was cold. I don't know. So here are the rings. I don't think oh my god, I didn't even put my rings on today yet. I was cleaning right before this, like this area up. Ooh. Fancy. What size did I get? Oh, it doesn't say, but I think 7. I'm trying to figure out my ring size. So there's 2 of them like this. Let's get the other one on. Race against the clock because we need to get this video up before you guys are in bed. Oh, cool. They're a little bit different. Alright, it's not focusing. Shit. I really like these. Yay! I did look at what I was getting and swapped, or I don't remember what was originally in there and what wasn't, but I wanted all these. I picked them. And I love stuff like this. I was just going to act like I had them on. These are similar to the earrings I wear like every single day. But bigger, like you could see it more so from far away, a little bit different. I love these. And the last item is a necklace, and its retail value is $94 or $98. I saw this was really expensive. I'm like, oh, I can't keep this one unless I have some credit. It's so pretty. By Joy Dravecki, Indio, Dreamcatcher Dog Tag, and Mystic Quartz. And the rings are by Sophie Harper. They are the Pave and CZ ring set in gold, and they are normally $65, but as a Roxbox member, it would be $55. And the earrings, Tess and Trisha Star and Moon Huggies in black, are normally $60, but you get it for $57. So it's a few dollars savings, but again, you can just return these and get another set, and it is $21 a month, which I failed to say. I'm probably annoying some people, but at the same time, you don't need to spend too much time on jewelry. Isn't this so pretty? I love this. I hope it goes through on camera okay. I've never heard of this brand. Have you guys? I'm looking to see if it's stamped or anything, because it's been so expensive. I don't think it is, or I don't know. But I like it. But that is everything for today, guys. I would love to hear your opinion. Again, if you're interested in those clothing options or want to see like more of the colors and patterns and stuff they have, there's a lot. And you can check out the pricing. But thanks again to the Lookbook for sending me these items. I honestly like all of them. That never really happens. Like the tank top isn't like my favorite, but I actually do like it because I know I'll have some function for it. Like a black cami tank top, like I could totally use. Because I don't really have many at the moment. They're all like stretchy, like comfortable. Like that one could be like dressed up or down. So yeah, I really like everything. Here's this necklace, this dog tag. I love it. I'm so glad I decided to film really quick because, yeah, uplifted my mood. I hope you enjoyed it as well. Can't wait to hear what your thoughts on the Amazon clothes from the Lookbook. I hope you guys are all having a great weekend. I love you so much. Stay safe, stay healthy, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.